Hey y'all. I'm sorry, it's so fucking cold. Freaking cold. This blanket's so warm. I love my baby. He brought me the blankets. I look. Woo. Okay, so what am I doing today? I don't know. I'm really happy. I'm gonna be free tomorrow. Got a pass with my foster mama. Trying to see if I can meet up with my baby. He can meet my foster mama and all that. I'm really happy. I'm just waiting on him to answer. I think he took a nap, honestly. But everyone else is for real at a church group, but I can't go because I did some stupid shit, so they won't let me go today. But I don't care because I'm going skating tomorrow. Not with my foster mom, but I'm going skating. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. Give me a second if you know. I'm sorry, I'm gonna pause this. I'm sorry, I like this song. So, da 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 da. Oh, sorry. Let me pause this. Okay. So, I know my boyfriend sees this, so I really don't want to do this, but I like making these videos. Like, call me weird, but I'm not a girly girl. I make weird videos. I do burping challenges. I do other challenges. So I don't know. Let me. That's not as good as normal. It really ain't. That's why I ate nothing today. Wait, no correction. I had a cup of Jello at like 3 hours ago, so that counts. So now, babe, you can't be mad if you're not eating because I ate a cup of Jello. But yeah, usually I do a heck of a lot better than that. I know. But I'm also really tired. I'm really tired, so there's that. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, what the hell happened? I used to be so much better at that. Oh my god. Did living with y'all change the way I burp? Maya. She ain't paying attention. She's watching Girls Incarcerated? Something about girls who are incarcerated. I don't think it's a show, Girl Incarcerated. Is that the show? I think it is. I don't know. I don't know what she's watching, honestly. There's only 2 other people here besides me. Kid-wise, we got 2 adults here. We have our tutor here. Because we need tutoring because all of us failing for real. Not me though. Most classes. Excuse me. And then one of our staff, but she a chill staff. I love her. She's so sweet. Yes, I was calling you. Come here. Now she want to pay attention. No, I'm making a video. This is my roomie. You want to know what to? You know what to? Yo, baby. Girl, you don't. That's my roomie. She hates me half the time. Half the time she hates me. Not the other half. I don't know. Bye. Yeah, what's it? Oh, not me, but yeah. Yeah, I want chicken and potatoes. No, I gotta go, y'all. See y'all later.